Sometimes, a single moment caught on camera can raise more questions than answers. In this video, a young Chinese woman is seen being escorted by law enforcement officers while wearing handcuffs. The footage is brief, but it has quickly attracted attention across social media platforms, leaving many viewers wondering what events led to this dramatic scene. At first glance, the video appears straightforward. Officers maintain close supervision as the woman is escorted through what seems to be an official detention process. Yet behind those few seconds of footage lies a much larger story that remains unknown to the public. As the video continues to circulate online, thousands of comments begin to appear. Some viewers attempt to guess the reason for the arrest. Others analyze every detail visible in the footage, hoping to uncover clues about what happened before the recording began. But appearances can be deceiving. A short video clip rarely captures the full picture. Important details often exist outside the frame, hidden from public view until investigators release official information. This is why many experts caution against drawing conclusions too quickly based solely on viral content. For the woman at the center of the video, this moment may represent a significant turning point in her life. Whether the allegations prove true or false, becoming the focus of public attention can bring enormous pressure and uncertainty. Many people watching the footage focus on the visible facts, the handcuffs, the officers, and the controlled environment. Yet others wonder about the unseen side of the story. What decisions were made leading up to this moment? What circumstances resulted in such a dramatic outcome? These questions continue to fuel public curiosity. In today's digital world, information spreads faster than ever before. A video recorded in one location can be viewed by millions of people around the globe within hours. While this level of connectivity allows people to stay informed, it also increases the risk of misinformation and speculation. As discussions continue online, opinions remain divided. Some viewers believe the footage speaks for itself.